How to buy Remint token. This token came under the symbol of RMT. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. And after that, to be able to buy this token, you can click on this link that they include in their X account on the screener, and you will be redirected to this page. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token, the liquidity here are locked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. So if you want to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address. And remember, this token came under this online network. Now go and open your Phantom wallet. Click here on swap and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and after that, paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. After that, type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. From here, for provider, select one of these, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information. After that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face after that any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it. After that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the RMT or Remint token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.